Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar's visit to Kolkata from Sunday to Tuesday was marked by protests. Right from the time that he entered the city, outside the hotel where he and his team is staying, there were protests. There were protests when he visited the Kalighat temple on Monday, and also protests on Tuesday when he visited the Dakshineshwar temple. Despite the protests, the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar went about his meetings with various political parties, polling officers, as well as others, including the law enforcement agencies and those from the government officials from the government that he needed to speak to as regards the poll preparedness. Now, what he says is they have assured him that the elections would be free of violence and that they would go on smoothly in West Bengal. But that is his version of what he says. We have seen protests, and we have seen in the past that in West Bengal there has been violence or reports of violence during different phases of the elections coming in from various parts of the state. Now, will that take place this time? Though his assurance is that this is a festival of democracy, clearly continuously saying that it is supposed to be an election that is free of violence, free of fear or intimidation, and that anyone, irrespective of a government official, anyone who is a miscreant or even a voter, will not be spared, and action will be taken in case there is anything that is unlawful that comes forward. As far as the logical discrepancies are concerned, the election commissioner, the chief election commissioner, did say that it is not just West Bengal, but the list of logical discrepancies did come out in all the states where the SIR was conducted. So not just singling out Bengal, which various political parties in the state, including the ruling Trinamool Congress, has been questioning the various aspects of the SIRs. There was another question that was put forward to Gyanesh Kumar about the impeachment process, which some political parties in the country are mulling over. But he said that all questions or statements of the political parties raised against him should not be answered, and hence he declines to answer this question. But as far as the election process here in West Bengal is concerned, Gyanesh Kumar saying that it will be conducted under the watchful eye of central forces, and that there will be webcasting in various polling booths, and that the election process will be conducted smoothly, but not really saying whether there will be 1, 2 or 3 phases of elections or even more as far as West Bengal is concerned. With Salil Behra, this is Prema Rajaram.